Today we're reviewing the Momcozy BM03 baby monitor. Let's unbox it. First, put the storage card in the lot. Look at the large screen, a stand for hands-free viewing. At the top, you'll find the antenna and power switch. The right side has large, easy-to-use control buttons. Let's power it up. The camera moves to capture the entire room. And it looks cute. Easily adjust the screen brightness or turn on the Vox mode or adjust the alarm settings. You can connect up to 4 cameras. Lullabies are also included. Press this button to take a photo, and you can see it right away. Night vision is excellent. Look at the cat. Press to talk and calm your baby. Overall, BM03 is a great choice, reliable and lasts for days.
Momcozy, evolving for mom and cozy.